Hey everybody, doing a quick video today, just doing a little bit of experimentation with this SOLAS IR reflective material for some cat eye patches, laser cut. First time getting this stuff in, so just wanted to run some tests with it and just kind of make a quick video. I laser cut these cat eyes, probably need some modifications on it. I'll update that here next go around, but just wanted to see how this worked. So laser cut the eyes out so that these spots are reflective. These are a little thin, so maybe next go around we'll make those a little bit bigger, but basically the IR reflective material is going to go behind it, and then when it's hit with IR it will reflect those eyes. So this is this adhesive I wanted to try using. It's fast cure, it's seam sealant from Gear. It dries flexible and clear, so that's kind of one of the reasons why I wanted to use it. And I'll probably just flip this patch backwards, just brush some of this on, and then stick this on, and maybe put something heavy on top, just because this is kind of, you know, still bowed from when it was in the tube shipped. All right, got this 10-pound weight on it, and it says to wait about 2 to 4 hours before testing the dryness. So, all right, here's how it turned out. You can see a little bit of the adhesive there. I have to be more careful if I'm going to use this adhesive going forward. But overall, these little pieces did stick. Seems decently adhered to it. So might be worth giving a shot.
This is just a quick test in a dark room. Stuck the patch to a pouch and then only used the onboard PVS-14 IR illuminator from about 5 feet away, and you can see it seriously reflects the IR light. I'll keep testing it outdoors. I'm sure the performance will be a little bit different and less intense at different ranges.